got video rolling?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can barely see it.
No, you got it hooked on the arm. No, for real, it's hooked on the arm.
Yo, take him to shore, yo. You're putting that nigga through some hella pain.
I don't want that hook to be stuck in there for life.
Well, it's in his arm. We kind of have to take him to shore or we're dead.
Nigga, I'm working on it.
Look where you got it.
That's gotta suck.
Oh, my left foot. Ah.
Going out now. He's swimming out now, man. He's going out. If you let him run a little bit, you can probably walk him to shore.
Oh.
I'd let him run.
Trying to.
Shit, that's a hell of a fight. Let me go check these other lines.
Don't have him hooked for fucking 20 minutes. Done.